What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we are back at R&R Cycles to do a post full system Zard dyno run and see what she puts out. I'm really excited to see this. Again, thanks so much to R&R for doing this for us and hooking us up. We really appreciate it. And with all that being said, let's get into it. Now, if you tuned into our last video with the OEM dyno run where we just had the stock exhaust on there, the bike put out 74 horsepower and 44 foot-pounds of torque. So the Zard exhaust claims a bump of 6 horsepower with a weight loss of 10 pounds. That's the full racing kit. So I'm pretty eager to see if it's actually the 6 pounds or not. So we'll find out.
I'll bring up this left.
Sure. horsepower, okay.
Pounds of torque.
Half a foot-pound?
Yeah. So, probably tune that probably.
Yeah. All right, so that was the dyno run. The bike made 5 horsepower, just like Zard claims. So that's fantastic to see. Sometimes when an exhaust manufacturer claims a number, you can't really trust it or feel like you can't trust it, but it's fantastic to see that Zard put out that 5 horsepower. It made a half foot-pound more torque too. So it made the horsepower about mid-range. There was a nice little bump, and then at the top as well. That's all we have for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest Moto Machines madness. If you want to see some incredible raw audio footage, click the card in the top right-hand side of the screen. Ride safe.